Welcome to our channel. Today, we have something exciting and healthy for you. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and weighed down? Well, we have the solution for you. Get ready to boost your energy with these delicious low-calorie recipes. First up, we have a refreshing fruit salad. Packed with vitamins and bursting with natural flavors, this dish will leave you feeling refreshed and energized. If you're looking for something more savory, try our grilled chicken salad. Tender chicken breast, crisp veggies, and a tangy dressing make this a satisfying and guilt-free choice. Next, we have a vegetable stir-fry. A rainbow of veggies cooked to perfection with a touch of soy sauce. This dish is not only low in calories, but also high in antioxidants, giving you a natural energy boost. Craving something creamy? Don't worry, we have a solution for you. Our avocado pasta is rich, luscious, and surprisingly low in calories. You won't believe how delicious healthy eating can be. Get ready for a taste of the ocean with our baked salmon and vegetable medley. Omega-3 fatty acids in salmon are known to improve brain function and boost energy levels. Plus, it's so mouth-watering, you won't miss those extra calories. Looking for a low-carb alternative to pasta? Our zucchini noodles are the answer. Tossed in a light tomato sauce, this dish is both satisfying and waistline-friendly. Spice up your day with our homemade spicy lentil soup. Packed with protein and fiber, this comforting dish will keep you feeling full and energized for hours. Who says healthy can't be fun? Our vibrant smoothie bowl is not only Instagram-worthy, but also a nutrient-packed treat. A perfect way to start your day or refuel after a workout. For a hearty and delicious meal, try our grilled vegetable and quinoa plate. The combination of grilled veggies and protein-rich quinoa will give you the sustained energy you need to conquer your day. Finally, indulge in our berry chia pudding. This sweet treat is low in calories but high in antioxidants and fiber. It's the perfect guilt-free dessert to satisfy your cravings. Thank you for joining us on this exciting culinary journey. Remember, these low-calorie recipes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious, healthy recipes. Stay energized and happy cooking.